Hi students, welcome back to our IIT JEE problems. We are continuing with the same chapter 6. So here the first problem, let U be the universal set and A union B union C is equal to whole set U. Then A minus B union B minus C union C minus A the whole complement. For that you need that Venn diagram. So here I am going to draw that Venn diagram. Venn diagram of A, B, C. Here they are asking first you have to shade A minus B. A minus B means this. Okay, this is A minus B. Okay. Next B minus C. A minus B means including that C. B minus C means including that A. Okay. C minus A means including that B. Okay, ma? This is our shading. The whole complement. So in this diagram, which part is not shading? That is not shaded pa? Here, this whole intersection, A intersection, B intersection, C, this will be not shaded. So here the answer is A intersection, B intersection, C. From the diagram itself you get a clear idea. The answer will be A intersection, B intersection, C. So here A minus B means you have to shade C. B minus C means you have to shade that A. A minus C means you have to shaded that B intersection C part. Okay. So here the answer will be A intersection, B intersection, C. Once again, I will differentiate that diagram. Wait. A, B, C. So A minus B. A minus B. Next is, this is our A minus B. B minus C. This is called as B minus C. Okay, ma? C minus A. So in your union, all that shaded portion means you are having only one portion that will be not shaded here. That is represented as A intersection, B intersection, C. It's clear, ma? So this shaded is our C minus A. Okay. Is it clear? So simply from that Venn diagram itself we got that answer. A intersection, B intersection, C. Next we pass on to if A is equal to the set containing null set and another set containing a singleton set null set, then the power set of A is. So here how will you write the power set? Power set means collection of all subsets of A, that is called as power set. So we are going to write P of A as set of all subsets. So what are the subsets here? 5. That is when you are start writing the subset means you have to start with that empty set. So here first I am writing 5. Again in the set itself we are having one 5. Then a set containing singleton set 5. Okay, ma? Now I am writing just subsets. Subsets of A. Subsets of A. Okay, so here next you are writing 5 comma the set containing 5. Okay, so these are all that subsets of A. So here 5, then another set null set having you are having 5, then the singleton set 5, then you are having that 5 and A. So here we consider as this the third choice, that is instead of writing this 5 comma singleton 5, you are writing that A. So P of A is equal to set containing 5, a set containing 5, a set containing 5, comma A. This is our answer. So here we are having 4 elements. Instead of set containing 5 and singleton set 5, we are writing that A. So here C choice is that answer. Okay ma? Is it clear? Set of all subsets. Okay, ma? So here P of A can be written as the set containing 5, then instead of this we are writing that A. Instead of this we are writing the whole set A. Is it clear? Okay. Copy it. If n of A is equal to 3, n of B is equal to 6 and A subset of B, then the number of elements in A union B is equal to, listen ma, n of A வந்து 3 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, n of B 6. Here given A is a subset of B. So here B, we are having A. A is a subset of B. So what will becomes A union B? A union B is equal to B. Now they are asking number of elements in A union B. N of A union B is equal to N of B. So here the answer will be 6. Since you are having N of B as 6. So is a simple fact, that is a very easy fact only. In that 9th standard itself we are studying that if A is subset of B, then A union B is equal to B. Okay ma? Which will be the bigger set that will coming in that union. Okay, next we pass on to next problem. If A and B are two sets, then A minus B union B minus A union A intersection B. So this also get a clear idea from that Venn diagram. So we are having Venn diagram. Here A, here B, and I am putting the universal set. Here this will denotate that A minus B. This is A intersection B. This is B minus A. So from the diagram, A minus B union A intersection B union B minus A is a known formula. This will be equal to A union B. So it's clearly we get that updation from the Venn diagram itself. So union of all these three becomes our A union B. So the here answer will be A union B. Okay ma? Perfect. Problem number 5. If x is equal to set of all 8 power n minus 7n minus 1, n belongs to n, and y is equal to set of all 49n minus 49, n belongs to n, then which of the following will be satisfied, they are asking. So I am going to find that x value. What are all the elements in that x? First you are substituting n is equal to 1. So first value n is equal to 1 means n is equal to 1. 8 power n minus 7n minus 1 becomes 8 minus 7 minus 1. Answer 0. N is equal to 2. Here 8 power n minus 7n minus 1 becomes 64 minus 14 minus 1. Answer is 40 49. N is equal to 3. 8 power n minus 7n minus 1 is equal to 5, 12 minus 21 minus 1. So this is equal to 490. Like that you get etc. So x is equal to having 0, 49, 490 etc. Now y is equal to, for that n is equal to 1, the value of 49n minus 49 equal to 49 minus 49 answer 0. N is equal to 2. 49n minus 49 is equal to 98 minus 49 answer 49. N is equal to 3. 49n minus 49 is equal to 49 into 3 minus 49. So in calculation you have to take 49 outside and put 3 minus 1. So 2 answer is 98. Like that we are getting. So y is equal to set containing 0, 49, 98 etc. So here which will be x is subset of y or y is subset of x or x is equal to y, x intersection y is equal to null set. So here the answer will be x will be the subset of y. How will you get that? That is 0, 49, 490. So here 0, 49, 98 all that multiples of 49 here. All that multiples of 49 coming here is 490 will be here. So here 98 not present in that x. So we are saying that y is the biggest set and x is the smallest set. So here x is subset of y. So this will be the answer. Next we pass on to the sixth problem. If a, comma b and c are non-empty sets, then a minus b union b minus a. So children, here also you have to refer it from the Venn diagram. For having a, b. So this will be a minus b. This will be b minus a. This will be a intersection b. Here they are asking a minus b union b minus a. So are shading these two only. So here a minus b and b minus a. What will be that union represent means from pole A union B you have to take that A intersection B outside. From the pole A union B you are taking A and B, A intersection B outside. So it is simply A union B minus A intersection B. So that will be the answer. So here A minus B union B minus A simply denotes A union B minus A intersection B. So it's clearly from our Venn diagram. You will understand? Copy. Seventh problem, if A and B are two given sets, then A intersection B the whole complement is equal to. So here A intersection B the whole complement. Here we are going to apply the De Morgan law, children. A intersection B the whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. So A intersection A complement union B complement. Now we are applying that distributive law. A intersection A complement union A intersection B complement. So here A intersection A dash, what will be the answer? That is null set. Union A intersection B complement. So the final answer will be A intersection B complement. So this is our answer. A intersection B complement. Next we pass on to the eighth problem. Consider the following relations. First one, A minus B equal to A minus A intersection B. Next, A is equal to A intersection B union A minus B. Third one, A minus B union C is equal to A minus B union A minus C. From the third relation itself, we can find this is wrong because in De Morgan law for set difference, A minus B union C is equal to A minus B intersection A minus C. So, you have to check only the first and second. So, third will be wrong. So, here, either that answer will be 2 only or 1 and 2. The first choice and third choice never will be coming because in that choice you are having the third answer. So now I am going to draw the Venn diagram. A, B, this is our A minus B, A intersection B. This one will be there. We need for this problem. So here A minus B is equal to totally from A, how to take out that A minus B. So A minus B is equal to A minus A intersection B. Is it correct? Yes, this will be correct. Okay, ma? So first relation is correct. Second relation they are given A is equal to this A. The set A will be equal to union of A minus B and A intersection B. So A minus B union A intersection B. So second relation also correct. So here we are having the choice D as 1 and 2. Okay, ma? So you have to take this sum. That is simply the concept of Venn diagram only. Copy it. Problem number 9, which is the simplified representation of A dash intersection B dash intersection C dash union B intersection C union A intersection C, where A, B, C are subsets of the set X. Here, if you draw that diagram, Venn diagram means it will be, that is get collapsed with all that sets. That is, when you are drawing that A dash means you have to shade it that B and C. B dash means you have to shade it A and C. So it will get confused. Okay, ma? So for that, I am going to define the sets. Any set it can be, that is a fact, for any sets it will be granted. Okay, so here the universal set X as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are defining that A, B, C are subsets. So here A is 1, 2 and B is 2, 3 and C is, I am defining like that 2, 3, 4. Okay, yeah? Children, you see that, that is you can take any example, then that will be you get the correct answer only. Okay, ma? So here for purpose, that is answer in the sets define you have to assume any sets. Okay, ma? So here first A dash 3, 4, 5. What is B dash? 1, 4, 5. What is C dash? 1, 5. So what are the intersection of these three? A dash intersection B dash intersection C dash. So here all the three sets you are having 5. So A dash intersection B dash intersection is 5. Next you are going to find B intersection C. That is 2 and 3. Next A intersection C. You are having only 2. So union of all these, that is A dash intersection B dash intersection C dash union B intersection C union A intersection C. A dash B dash C dash. So intersection of these three is 5. So you get all these three sets means union of these 2, 3, 5. Children, you have to note one thing, that is, if we consider that B is equal to 3 and C is equal to 3, 4 means what will happen? B is a subset of C. So in the condition, இங்கே போடக்கூடாது. B subset of Cங்கிற கான்செப்ட் எடுக்கக்கூடாது. சரியா? ஸோ அதனால் மிஸ் என்ன பண்ணுறேன், இங்கே 3 கட் பண்ணுறேன். எல்லாமே எப்படி இருக்கும்? Subsets of X1B. These 3 that doesn't link with that any subset concept. ஓகேமா? ஸோ அப்படி தான் அஷ்யூம் பண்ணிக்கணும் நம்ம. Then you get B is equal to 2, 3 only. So the answer is B dash is 1, 4, 5 and here 2, 4, that is 1, 3, 5. Okay, so here intersection of these 3 subset of assumption of sets it depends upon person to person. So the Venn diagram is the best. So here we are going to draw that Venn diagram. A, B, C. A, B, C. First we are going to draw A dash. A dash means you have to shade all the parts without A. So yeah, A illama ellame shade பண்ணிட்டோம். Okay ma? Next B. You don't want to shade that B, set B. Remaining part you have to shade. C dash. See here now. Without that C, shading all the other parts. So what will be the intersection of these 3 parts? Here A shaded ஆயிருக்கு, இங்கே A shaded, இங்கே A shaded. But intersection A வராது. Here B shaded, here B shaded வராது. Here C shaded, இங்கேயும் உனக்கு C shade ஆயிருக்கு, இங்கே shade ஆகல. அப்போ எல்லாத்துக்கும் intersection பார்த்தா outer side மட்டும் தான் வந்துடும். ஓகேயா? எல்லாத்துக்குள்ளதுக்கு outer side மட்டும் தான் உனக்கு காமனாக இருக்கும். Dash அப்படிங்கிறது. ஓகே? Now B intersection C. ஓகேமா? B intersection C. Next is A intersection C. Union of these two. Okay, union of these two. And common to all that's A dash intersection B dash intersection C dash. This is a simplified representation of A dash intersection B dash intersection C dash. I'm wrongly given that C dash. That only get all that confusion. Okay, ma? So clearly A dash B dash. Now we are going to draw only that C. So this will shade. C portion is shaded. So what is that intersection of all these things? Clearly you see, ma? Intersection of all these 3 diagrams. First 3 diagrams is this. This part is our intersection. Now in this above diagram, here we are having A intersection, B intersection, C union A. So you are draw together. That is intersection of all these 3. We get that value as C. So here the answer will be C. Okay, ma? So if we get, that is we assume that sets also means you get that answer. So here the answer will be C. Okay, so here is then when you are assuming that sets, what will happen? When you are assuming that set X is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and A as 1, 2, B as 2, 3 and C as 2, 3, 4, then we get A dash as 3, 4, 5, B dash as 1, 4, 5. So what will be the intersection of these 3 A dash, B dash and C, the answer will be 4. Now what is B intersection C? B intersection C is 2, 3. What is A intersection C? A intersection C is 2. When you are union of these three terms, A dash intersection B dash intersection C, union A intersection C, union B intersection C. Okay ma? Intersection of these three, that is union of these three things will become 2, 3, 4. See what will happen? The 2, 3, 4 is nothing, that is our set C. So when you assume that set also, you get that same result. So first I am given that it is a C dash, that will be clearly confused. So here the set will be A dash intersection B dash intersection C. Okay, copy it quickly. Tenth sum, let A and B be two non-empty subsets of a set X such that A is not a subset of B. Then A and B are a non-empty subsets of X. So X we consider that 1, 2, 3. A is not a subset of B. So A we can consider as 1 and B we consider as 2, 3. Then clearly A is not a subset of B. So first A is the subset of complement of B. Whether you want to check this. What is a complement of B dash? What is the complement of B? That is 1. So here we get A is a subset of complement of B. So B dash is equal to 1. These two are same thing only. Okay ma? B is not a subset, it's a equal set. A is equal to B dash, not a subset. Okay ma? B is a subset of A. That is also not true. A and B are disjoint. That is A you are having 1 and we can assume that A has 1, 2 also. We are having the choice. So it is purposely, that is it should be A and B are disjoint. That is compulsory. Okay, so if we take that A as 1, 2, then A is also not a subset of B only. Okay, so here we consider like that. And A and B are disjoint. That is A and B are disjoint means A intersection B is equal to that set. Here A intersection B is 2. A and the complement of B are non-disjoint. That is A is 1, 2. What is complement of B here? B dash. That is you are considering B dash and A. A and B dash are non-disjoint. That is true. Non-disjoint means they are having, that is disjoint means it doesn't have the complement intersection. Here they are having the intersection as 1. So this is a correct. A and complement of B are non-disjoint. That is a correct answer. Okay ma? So here if we consider that 1, A as only 1 means you are getting that A and B are disjoint. But here both answers will be, that is this answer and this answer will be correct according to your assumption. So here A is not a subset of B, only the condition. Okay ma? So B is not a subset of A. So here A and the complement of B are not disjoint. Next, A is equal to 3, 5, B is equal to 5, 6. Now A minus B is equal to, we are having only 3. A intersection B is equal to 2, 5. So A minus B cross A intersection B, that is Cartesian product. 3, 2, 3, 5. So what will be that answer? C choice. That's all. Very simple sum only ma. So just you are finding what is A minus B and what is A intersection B. Just you are having putting that Cartesian product cross. Okay ma. 12th problem, if n of a is equal to 4, n of b is equal to 3, n of a cross b cross c is equal to 24. It's a well-known formula and an easy question mark. N of a cross b cross c is n of a into n of b into n of c. So here they are given this is as 4 and here 4 into 3 into n of c. So 12 into n of c is equal to 24. So what will be the n of c value? 24 by 12 we get n of c as 2. So this will be the answer. Okay, it's very easy only. Next we are going to 13th problem. N of u is equal to 20, n of a is equal to 12, n of b is equal to 9, n of a intersection b is equal to 4. The u is the universal set and a and b are subsets of u. Then they are asking n of a union b the whole complement. Okay ma? This is nothing but n of u minus n of a union b. So first we are going to find the value of n of a union b. Formula is n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. So this will be equal to 12 plus 9 minus 4. So you get 17. So what is n of a union b the whole complement? That is equal to 20 minus 17, answer 3. So here the answer will be 3. Okay ma? Copy it. The sum in a class of 30 people, 12 take needlework, 16 take physics and 18 take history. If all the 30 students take at least one subject and no one take all the 3, the number of the people taking 2 subjects. So here needlework. Okay ma? Needlework வந்து assume that as A and physics we assume that set as B and history we assume that set as C. So here n of A union B union C is equal to 30 they are given. N of A intersection B intersection C. No one take all the 3 subjects. So 0 they are given. Now we know that formula, 3 sets formula. N of A B and C is equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of A intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Now they are asking the number of people taking 2 subjects. That means we are going to find what is n of A intersection B plus n of B intersection C plus n of A intersection C. So we bring it to the left hand side. N of A intersection B, n of B intersection C plus n of A intersection C is equal to what is n of A? We are having 12. 12 plus 16 plus 18 minus n of A union B union C is 30. And here n of A intersection B is 0. So here getting 28, 38, 46. 46 minus 30, answer 16. So the number of people taking 2 subjects, the answer will be 16. Okay ma? Is it clear? So next we pass on to the last problem in the session. At a certain conference of 100 people, there are 24 Indian women. So here an Indian woman. So n of IW is equal to 29. N of Indian men equal to 23. Of this Indian people, 4 are doctors. So n of D is equal to 4. 24 are either men or doctors. So n of men union D is equal to 24. There are no foreign doctors. So how many foreigners and women doctors are attending the conference they are asking. So first we are going to find number of foreigners. Number of foreigners is equal to 100 minus number of Indians. Number of Indian means that we belong to both women and men. So here 29 plus 23. So we get that answer 100 minus 52. So answer is 48. So the first answer itself we have to take. That is which answer will handle that 48. So the next answer one will be that 1. So we are going to check that answer whether it coming as 1 or not. Okay, ma? So first they are given n of m union d. What is the formula of n of m union d? N of m plus n of d minus n of m intersection d. So you are having 24. N of men is 23. So Indian men only. Here doctors minus n of m intersection d. N of m intersection means men and doctors. Okay, ma? So here it becomes 27 minus 24, you get 3. Okay, so here now they are asking what is a women doctors. They are asking n of women doctors. W intersection D. That is, we are having doctors as 4. So 4 minus 3, answer 1. That is 4. You are having 4 doctors. There you are having 3 men doctors. M intersection D means men and doctors means we are having 3 men doctors. They are asking only women doctors. So 4 minus 3, answer is 1. So the final answer will be 48, 1. Number of foreigners and number of women doctors. Is it clear now? Copy it. So next class we will continue that chapter. Same chapter, but the topic is relation. We will pass on to that relation. Okay? So copy it. Okay, children, in this session we have finished all the set concept. Next session we are going to start the relations. Okay, thank you.